Hi guys, I'm Iman and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be attempting to build an RC water gun tank kind of things, I guess. So yeah, let's just begin. Guys, I'm going to be using a piece of hardboard for the base of our robot. So yeah, this is going to be the one. And I'm just going to attach two of these yellow gear motors over here. These will actually drive our tank. Yeah, so yeah, that's kind of it. So guys, now I'm just trying to glue the motors with the base of our robot. Yeah, so let's just do that now. I fast forward the video, so yeah, you don't have to see me gluing up the motors in real time. Yeah. So guys, so yeah, this is the RC and the battery, but the most important thing is this one. Yeah, it's a water pump which will actually throw the water out. So guys, it only comes with the pump. It doesn't come with this nozzle part over here. This was made by yours truly, me of course. So yeah, let's just go ahead and build. So now guys, I'm just attaching these two motors onto the base of our robot. So yeah, let's just do that now. So now guys, I have already attached the wheels onto the robot. So now I'm just gonna put the pump mechanism in its place right over here. So this box over here is the container we're gonna put the water in, because yeah, it can't work without it, right? So I don't have another box right now, but if I find one, I'm surely gonna replace this one with the one I find later, because yeah, it doesn't look very good right now, right?
But it's becoming increasingly obvious. I can deny it no longer!
So guys, I found the box and yeah, attached the pump with it. Yeah, so it's made out of plastic, so it's not gonna leak water out of it. Yeah, so our tank is done, I guess. So let's just test how it works now. So guys, it kind of turned out as a failed attempt because it keeps going backwards for some reason. And yeah, and the water doesn't really sprays out like a water gun shoots, and it just shoots at an angle which isn't very good. So yeah, so this was a failed attempt. So please comment down below how can I improve this machine. Till then, I'll just be cleaning up my desk.